Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm in my mama's kitchen today. We're going to do boil banana and steamed vegetables.
Welcome guys, welcome. This is how I prepare my banana for cooking. I do it like this first, then I'm going to peel it afterwards when the water is ready. So when it reaches the point where I peel it, guys, I'll come back and talk to you guys. In the process now, my water is almost ready for the banana. So this is how I do it.
And guys, these bananas look so soft already, not true, mommy?
They're very soft. I cooked some the other evening and they're very soft and nice.
This is from my uncle's farm, guys. And mommy, when some people peeling banana, they put oil on their hand to do what? You can, you cannot.
You can put the oil to get rid of the stain, but I don't use oil. I just run it under the water and no stain on my fingers when I'm finished.
Everybody's kitchen is different, guys. Everybody cook in a different way. So my mother don't. I do. I sometimes put oil, sometimes I don't. Because, you know, while you're washing up back and cleaning up back your kitchen, the stain will be gone from your fingers. Not true, mommy?
Yes.
Yeah.
I put the banana in little water over there. It's a lot of banana to peel and I don't want them to start get black before finish.
Right. Definitely. So remember, I always tell you guys about ground provision or food on a whole getting it can start oxidizing on you if you don't put them in water. Some people, when they're doing it, they put vinegar in the water to prevent the oxidizing process.
Some put salt.
Some put salt, yeah. Our water is fully ready. It has come to a nice boiling point here. So mommy soon put in the bananas in the pot.
Yes guys, my water is ready and waiting for me.
Alright guys, we have a variety of vegetables here. We have Swizz. Look how beautiful and fresh they are. We have some mustard greens and some calalloo. Yes, we're gonna mix all three of them together. So you remove the leaves from the stalk, guys. And you know, sometimes what I like to do, guys, is to mix all my greens, dark green vegetables together. So persons who are picky eaters, oh, I don't eat Swizz, I don't eat that, I don't eat, they're not gonna know. Because everything is gonna come together and have such lovely flavor. What mom like to do, she like to cut off most of the stalk, but if you are cutting them, we can use these to do the green juice in the mornings. No, so mommy?
Yes.
Yes, you can still use these. Mom don't like to use them when she's steaming veggies, but you can reserve them and make your green juice.
I'm gonna make some green juice afterwards too.
Lovely. Mommy is washing these vegetables individually.
Yes guys, the reason why I wash them like this, I just don't want to miss no bugs or no dirt or anything.
Guys, look at our bananas. Nice. I used to love bananas growing up. Not true, mommy?
Yeah.
Yes, I used to love bananas. Mash it out with a little butter and thing. Yes, man. What mommy do, guys, when she's cooking banana, she puts a little oil in it as well. But they're almost there, looking so soft and glorious in the pot.
Guys, when I'm preparing like vegetables like these, I like to pour it in the middle. Yes guys, I'm ready to cut.
And what she did, guys, was to put all the leaves together and kind of roll it as she cutting them.
Make it easier to cut.
And you cut them nice and fine so they're not so fibrous when you're eating them and take long to cook and all of these things. And take note, guys, how she's cutting them. She likes to split them in half again so they're not long and strawny. My mom is a funny cook, guys. Alright, now guys, you're preparing the seasonings for the steamed veggies. So we have here some sweet peppers. We have some nice scallion. Big up the St. Elizabeth farmers, guys, because you know that's where scallion is grown. Mostly. Not sure, mommy?
Yes.
Yes. Well, entirely at this they grow. Not sure? Yeah. Up St. Elizabeth. Hi, Janelle. That's our Scotch bonnet pepper. You know you don't put the seeds, guys. Only the skin with the flavor. And we have here some garlic as well. We have some lovely fresh tomatoes
From St. Elizabeth as well.
Yes.
I'm going to cook with extra virgin olive oil, guys. I'm gonna pour in all my seasoning for flavor.
Added in our carrots, guys. Yes, it's very beautiful as you can see. All the lovely colors, natural seasoning. Would you look at that? So lovely. Mommy, you steam the vegetable with pot cover? No. No, we don't steam vegetable with pot cover, guys. Beautiful. Beautiful, man.
And you can see all the colors.
Yeah, you can see all the colors. And guys, this is a lovely breakfast if you want to have it for breakfast or lunch or even dinner. Yeah. Around here we have everything. We don't have any specific time for anything.
You can eat this with rice.
Rice, quinoa,
Yes.
couscous. Which is, I'm gonna do a video for you guys with couscous and some steamed veggies. Basically, you can have it with anything.
Yam and banana.
Yam and banana, dumpling. Yes, man.
Even bread.
And breadfruit. You know, from when I want to find some breadfruit and can't find none breadfruit, not really in season it there.
No.
Yes, man. This is a lovely pot of veggies. Or if you're a health watcher, you're watching a diet and stuff, you can even use this just by itself. You can eat it.
Yes, it is nice.
And it's very filling.
I'm using this for breakfast now, but I'm gonna leave back some for my dinner as well.
What she's saying, guys, she's gonna have it on the side with her dinner.
Yes.
Yes. Alright guys, we had put in salt and a little bit of all-purpose seasoning.
I don't like to cover my veggies because I don't want it to get too saggy and I don't want it to change color. I love to see my vegetables this green when it is ready. And now it is ready for eating. See, a lot of water is not in it.
Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time,
Bye-bye.